Have you ever been inspired by creativity and design? If you are interested in graphic design and want to know more about the skills, software and landing clients as a designer, then this video is for you. If you watch this video till the end, you would know which software to use, how to create a portfolio, how to land your first client as a graphic designer. Also, I'll provide you with free templates and courses which will help you get started as a designer. So step 1 is getting started. Just so everyone is on board, I'll quickly explain what graphic design is. Graphic design is the art of telling stories through visuals. Graphic designers use softwares and tools to make eye-catching logos, ads, websites and more by playing with colors, shapes and text. People are always looking for good graphic designers. So how do you get started? So initially you would have to learn the basic design principles. Design principles are fundamental guidelines and concepts that help designer create effective and visual pleasing composition. I have included a free course by Satori Graphics covering everything about design principles. Link is in the description. Step 2, learning basic tools and softwares. So right now Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator and Adobe InDesign are widely accepted in the industry. They are very popular among professional designers. Adobe Photoshop is widely used for photo manipulation and is go-to for small retouching to mind-bending artworks. Adobe Illustrator is the go-to for vector design. It's perfect for creating logos, icons and illustrations. Photoshop is a raster-based software, whereas Illustrator is a vector-based software. So what does that mean? Raster images are constructed through pixels, whereas vector images are constructed through lines and curves. After that, Adobe InDesign is a software which helps people create books and magazines and material for both print and digital use. It's known for its expertise in handling multiple page documents. Apart from Adobe products, there are other softwares like CorelDRAW, which is a versatile tool used for both raster and vector graphics. It is also widely used in the industry. After that, there is Figma, which is a collaborative web application for interface design that helps to create, share and test designs for websites and mobile apps. If you are looking to become a UI UX or web designer, Figma might be a go-to. Adobe recently acquired Figma, so we might soon get it along with Creative Cloud. But if you're just getting started, you can also try Canva, which is very beginner friendly. After finalizing the software, now it's time to learn the basics of the software, learn to use all the tools, explore the user interface, try to create simple designs in the beginning and put a lot of time and effort learning these tools. To help you out, I have included free online courses for each of the softwares. When I was starting my journey, I learned from these same courses, so these are highly reliable. The courses are by Daniel Walter Scott, who is an Adobe certified instructor. Check them out, this will help you learn the software faster. Also, don't forget to seek inspirations from sites like Behance and Dribbble. They showcase the work of top designers from around the world. Observe their work and get inspired from them. Step 3, diving deep in design concepts. To become a successful graphic designer, you must understand concepts like color theory, typography, composition, and layout. Explore how to create visually appealing designs that convey a message effectively. Use your softwares to bring your ideas to life. Experiment, iterate, and refine your designs. Just knowing these tools doesn't cut it as the competition is increasing. As I have already said, Adobe is widely used in the industry, so I would highly suggest learning Adobe After Effects too. This will give you an edge over your competition. The real fun starts when you start stacking these skills together. For example, check out how Ben Marriot does it, who is a motion designer who uses Illustrator to design and then After Effects to animate. He is one of the best freelance motion designers. Another great example is Benny Productions, who creates amazing photo manipulation artworks. Photo manipulation is a blend between photography and graphic design. Step 4, find your niche. Try everything and see what works out best for you. Learn how to create typography and design like Texture Labs. Learn illustrations like digital art creation. Learn website design like Codex Community. Once you identify your niche, put a lot of time and effort exploring the niche. Graphic design is a very broad niche, and if you run in all directions, you won't make any progress. Whether it's website design, branding, illustration, or UI UX, specialization can set you apart from your competition. Step 5, building your portfolio. I have said this before, I'll say it again. This might be the most important step. A portfolio is your visual resume and showcases your skill to potential clients. Create a portfolio that showcases your skills and expertise in your selective niche. Create sample edits for various types of projects that you have worked on. Your portfolio should reflect your versatility and talent as a graphic designer. Also, don't just combine everything together in a PDF. For example, you can use mockups from sites like Freepik and Placeit. Mockup will portray how your design will look in real world. For example, you might have designed some t-shirts. Instead of just showing the JPEG image, put that design in a t-shirt mockup, which will make it look really attractive. You can use websites like Behance and Dribbble to showcase your work. Make sure you create a really attractive portfolio. You can also create a personal website to stand out. Now, once you have a really attractive portfolio, it's time to make some money. So there are multiple ways to do it. First is the traditional way, where you submit this resume and portfolio to corporate companies and get a full-time job. Second way is you can start freelancing. You can create a gig on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork and start selling right away. I have already made a video on how to create a perfect Fiverr gig. You can check it out here. You can also reach out to potential clients by cold emailing. Make sure you include the portfolio link in the cold email that you write. I have also included a free cold email template for you. It's in the description. Cold emailing is still a really good way to get clients as a graphic designer. I have included a video by Chris Du where he talks about getting more clients and leads. Chris Du is an amazing teacher and he teaches business to creative professionals. I would highly suggest you to check his channel out if you want to pursue a career in graphic designing. So we have discussed the traditional way and freelancing. There is another way, which is starting your own agency. At this point, you might be wondering why I'm talking about starting an agency, because it would cost thousands of dollars and multiple employees. But that's not true. I want you to meet Brett Williams, who is the founder of Design Joy, who runs a one-person graphic design agency and makes up to $1.2 million per year. I have already discussed how you can replicate his business model in the last video. You can check it out. Step 7 is networking. Build a network among other designers and collaborate whenever possible. Show your presence by sharing your works on social media. This can also help you connect with potential buyers in the future. A really good example of this is Anik Jain. He created a personal brand showcasing his life as a graphic designer, and now he is leveraging it to scale his business. And then step 8, deliver quality and value. You should not focus on the money, but focus on improving your skills each time, and the money will start to come in. Understand your client's need and improve and communicate effectively. Always remember, happy clients are more likely to return and refer you to other people, which will help you grow as a freelancer or grow your business. So these were all the steps you need to take to become a successful graphic designer. All the links and resources are available to download in the description. Remember to stay updated with the latest trends in the market. If you found this content helpful, give this video a like and also subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.